Welcome back. Today we all learn 8 English phrases that your textbook taught you that native speakers never actually say.
We will take turns. I will teach one, Akansha will teach one.
First phrase, my name is. You learn this on the first day of your English class, right? But here's the truth. Native speakers almost never say it. Instead, they just say, I am Akansha. I am Akansha. Simple, fast, natural. And on the phone, even that changes. On the phone, we say, it's Akansha.
Nobody introduce themselves like they are filling a form. I would like a coffee. Textbook says this is polite and it is not wrong. But in real coffee shop, this sentence sounds so stiff. Say, can I have a coffee please? Or just one cappuccino please. Short, direct and natural.
I would like sounds like you are ordering something from a royal menu.
Exactly. Just say what you want.
I must go now. Very dramatic, very textbook. In real life, nobody says this. You can say, sorry, I have to go. Or, got to go. Or very British, right, I am off.
Why did you stand up?
This is what British people do. They slap their thighs and stand up when they leave.
I will never understand this. Unless you are in primary school, stop asking permission to use the toilet. If you are in someone's house, just say, do you mind if I use the toilet? And in British English, it is toilet, not bathroom. And if you want to sound very British,
Dalu. Dalu.
the low. I'll just pop the low.
In my country, we do it differently. Nothing technically wrong. But native speakers always name the country. In India, we do this. In UK, the dinner is earlier. Or they just say where I am from. It feels more specific, more personal and more natural.
In my country, sounds like you forgot where you are from.
A little bit, yes.
In my opinion, perfect for exams, terrible for conversations. In real life conversation, just say, I think. And if you want to sound British, I reckon. I reckon is very casual, very natural, and native speakers use it all the time.
I reckon sounds so confident somehow.
Because it is. Use it.
You walk into a restaurant and say, we are 4 people. The waiter understands, but it feels off. In English, you can say, a table for 4 people, please. Or you can say, there are 4 of us. It sounds more short and natural.
We are 4 people. Sounds like the beginning of a mystery novel.
We are 4 people and we have a secret.
I enjoy a lot. This one is actually incorrect. Enjoy needs an object. You cannot enjoy into nothing. Say, I enjoy it a lot. Same with I like a lot. Wrong. Say, I like it a lot. Correct.
It is always the small words that catch people. That is 8 phrases down. 8 more coming next week in part 2.
Save this video, watch it again, and let these phrases sink in.
And before we go, our favorite reminder. All 3 of us believe this, even when Rudy is not here.
Every day.
In every way, we are getting better and better. See you in part 2. Like the video, share it and subscribe the channel so you never miss a lesson.
Bye.
Not goodbye, just bye.
Say